guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Preksha and I would highly appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel down below and also press the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. For today's video, you guys know what's gonna happen by the title and the thumbnail itself. Without further ado, let's get started. So before starting this video, I would like to give a disclaimer. This is not any sponsored video. Whatever I'm showing you in this video is bought by my own money or by my parents' money. So without further ado, let's get started. So there are the clothes that I'm gonna show in this haul are from different websites. If I will try to provide as many links as I can in the description box. You can check out if you like it and you can as well order it. So without further ado, let's get started with the first website. The first website that I shopped this year for Puja was Meesho, and I found out that app to be a bit reasonable, and I could find bits and pieces which were affordable and pocket friendly. So I got 3 to 4 items from that website from Meesho, and I will try to mention the codes down below. So the first top I got is this pink top, this sleeveless with this turtleneck. I hope you can see, and this is a crop top in this peachy pink color. I guess you can see, and I will try to mention the prices on the screen and the size as well. And my size is extra small in all the clothes. The second top that I got from Meesho was this lavender color top. This is also cropped and this is in the size extra small. The only thing that I didn't like about this top was this black zip. It looks a bit ugly. If it would have been in the same color, it would look more decent and better. The only thing that I hate about this top is this, and it was available in pretty much many colors. Tops that I got from Meesho are of that ribbed material. This one is in cotton with this detailing in front, and it has a button in the back. This is from a brand called Vivera. I will try to mention the name in the screen, and if I'm pronouncing wrong, sorry. And it has some detailing in the bottom as well. As you can see, it's a cute magenta color. The next category I'm gonna show you are my pants. So I got 2 pants. One is this basic black jeans, and it's flared down from now. Let me show it to you, this much flared. The problem that I faced with this jeans is that it says size 28, but when I went to my tailor to get it altered, he told me the size of this jeans is 32. The only problem with this jeans is this. I didn't made any haul whatever I got for my birthday, so I thought I would include it in this only. So this jeans, which has a paper bag type cinched on my waist, and it has the same color ka belt which I'm not finding. The next category is the only one thing that I got is one jumpsuit. This was a gift, so it is again this strappy type of jumpsuit which goes under my till my ankle, and as you can see in the try on part as well. So the next categories are dresses. There are 3 dresses. Again in this haul, 2 of the dresses I got around my birthday, but as I mentioned before that I have not made any haul video back then, so I thought I would include it in this. And so I got this pink dress, ruched dress. I hope you can see, this goes till my thighs. I really love this dress. This dress gives me princessy vibe. And next is this black mesh dress. This is from Myntra. This was again a gift for me, and I got this dress around my birthday. If you haven't seen my friends choose my outfit wala video, you must go and give it a watch. And the last dress that was this orange dress with some sort of pattern going on down below, and this one is from a brand called Catwalk 88, and this was also a gift to me, so I don't think I can get you any links or anything. So the kurta set that my mom got was, this is the palazzo. It's the work, it has this pattern all over till niche tak, you can see. And this kurti, sorry guys, I cannot give you any, and it has the same design on the kurti as well. Sorry guys, I cannot give a try on this because it's not mine. So the next category that I'm gonna show you are my accessories. So the first thing that I again got this from Meesho. So this is a shoulder bag that comes with 2 handles. The only thing that I would love to tell you that if you want to get it, you can get it, but it's a bit longer and you don't get any adjustment here to adjust it. So that's the only drawback, but I really love the bag. It's black in color with golden detailing. It's a cute shoulder bag. Next thing that I got in accessories, I didn't get lot in accessories. So the next thing that I got is this pair of big black hoops. Just one earring. This time I didn't spend too much on earrings because nowadays I only enjoy wearing hoops than other than any earring, unless and until I'm wearing any Indian or ethnic outfit, then I would change. Till now, as you can see, now also I'm wearing a hoop, only black color. It's also in black. So I really love wearing hoops. First of all, they are very light and they are very versatile as well. And next thing I got was this black color ka belt. And the last category that I'm gonna show you in this video is my shoes. Again, I think if you have seen my shoe collection ka video, you have seen these 3 pairs of shoes that I got on my birthday, but I didn't tell you that. So the first pair of shoes are these chunky white sneakers, and it's a bit dirty because I wore two or three times. Oh shit, no, this can't happen. Now I'm seeing this is getting ripped off. I hope that only from this part it's getting ripped off, not from everywhere. So I got these shoes from Flipkart. I guess all my shoes are from Flipkart only. The next pair of shoes are these Stilettos. These are brand new. I haven't worn them. These are my new shoes. They are a bit dirty. I guess it was kept in the box, but still they are a little bit dirty. Keep this back. And the last pair are these transparent ones that I got from Flipkart only. I wore this once and they are a bit uncomfortable because, and one more thing I would like to tell you in this shoes, go a size down, don't size it up. Don't get the actual size you wear, because I ordered it 37, but this is a bit big on my foot, whereas the shoe that I ordered in this, it's also 37. It's kind of fit for my feet. They fit perfectly, but this doesn't fit me perfectly. They are a bit big. And yeah, that's all. And one more thing I would like to add, that this product come a bit damaged, but during that time it was lockdown and I thought thoda sa to damage hai, I will manage it somehow, and it's damaged from piche. No one is gonna see that one. So yeah, I would like to apologize that I have been missing out a lot on my channel because I had enough on my plate and I wasn't able to balance everything. I wasn't able to complete my studies, my assignments, and then make videos. So I thought I should focus on one thing or else I will collapse in both. So that's the reason I was not making videos and uploading it. The last video that I uploaded was a Raksha Bandhan vlog, and after that I was Chumantar, but I'm trying to upload as many videos as I can. So that's the reason that I was away from, I wasn't uploading any video on my channel. So thank you. That's all for today's video. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. So like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel down below, and also press the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye. See you in my next video.